How to use Gmass in Gmail. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gmass on Gmail. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Gmass, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Gmass, it is a powerful email marketing and automation tool that works directly within Gmail. It is widely used for sending en masse emails, creating emails campaigns, and automating follow-ups without the need for external platforms. And Gmass is especially popular among marketers, sales professionals, and recruiters due to its simplicity and robust functionality, where users can personalize emails using data from Google Sheets, track open and clicks, schedule emails, and set up automated follow-ups based on recipient behavior. So now to start using Gmass, the first thing that you need to do is to simply make sure to sign in your Gmail account that you want to add in here. So just simply open your Gmail, and as you can see, I've already added here my Gmail or signing in. So this is my Gmail account. And now to add this, just click this add to Gmail button to proceed. By doing so, all you need to do is simply sign in your Gmail account, which is the same Gmail that we just signed in our inboxes in the next link or in the next tab in here. And once done successfully linking or adding your Gmail account, it will show you in here the result or some of the feature added to your Gmail in here. It will ask you to have a quick tour or skip the tour, but I'm just going to skip this part. And now to start using it, you can start by composing here an email by clicking the compose button on the top left. And from here on this pop-up window, the first thing that you need to do is simply add here the recipient, which is in here under the to section. I'm just going to enter here a random email address. So I'm going to select here and simply enter here the subject, for example, sample as a subject. And after that, for the content of this email, I'm just going to simply enter here a random type. You can click the Gmass button below this button as an option. This is spam solver link checker, but under the spam solver from here, you can enter or choose here the kind of templates and even choose to personalize. And as you can see, it is currently being copied, so you can simply paste it directly onto the content, which is the first name or your friend. So for example, this hi and the first name of the recipient. Then from here, I'm just going to simply add another kind of content or context in here. So for instance, I'm just going to enter here, I just want to promote our product. But it depends on the kind of email that you're currently sending. It can be a landing pages email, an advertising or promotional email, and many more. And by clicking the Gmass, you can simply enter here a multiple or mass recipient to add here. Or you could also add to your email this unsubscribe link by simply copying the link in here. It will automatically be added to the content of our email. As you can see, it has here, you may unsubscribe to stop receiving our emails. So basically, the recipient of this email can unsubscribe to stop receiving the email by clicking the unsubscribe button. But now moving on from here, under the settings section, you could also simply track all of the recipient that has opened or clicks the email that we just sent. And it will show us in here how many person already opens the email or click on it. You could also click the send text or send email test in here to test if it's actually working. And also below, under action, you could also send an email or simply creating a drop in here. Now under auto follow-up, from here it will show you that you could also start making here a sequence or a conditional with here if no reply after 2 days. You just have to send this text email, just making sure you saw this. Or you could also navigate to start customizing the number of days in here and send rich text emails in the same thread. So basically, you can start customizing any of this kind of email content depending on your preferences. And aside from this stage 1, you could also proceed by making another stage, or this is stage 2 as you can see below, if no reply in here, or if no click, depending on the kind of command or simply condition that you prefer. Moving on under schedule, you could also schedule to send your email in here. You just now, for example, or choose your specific time to skip holidays, choose a specific days in here, or any other specification to schedule to send this email, including to set a specific time that you prefer. Moving on, aside from that, under speed, you could also enter the number of emails you want to send each day. For example, 2 emails per day, or you could also navigate to change instead of 2 emails, and even add a pause for every week if you want to between emails, or 10 minutes as a maximum of it. You'd also repeat this, for example, every weekend or every week, as you can see. Moving on, aside from that, under advanced settings, you'd customize to send as new message or replies, multi-send it, speed max, verify, A/B test, triggers, and many more. So all of these are applicable in using Gmass. And aside from that, from here, users can personalize emails using data from Google Sheets, track and open and click schedule emails, and set up automated follow-ups based on recipient behavior. Now under A/B test, you could also set up the percentage to send before making decision in here, and navigate this trigger section and customize the opens, clicks, and many more. Now under here, this is skip sent. You can skip this by checking the boxes, or even click or enter the preview text. But once done, you can click the send test in order to send a test for the email and see the content of it. And once you try to click on it, all you need to do is to wait for it to be fully sent, since it is being processed all of the data and customization that we just add. As you can see, the test has now been sent to our own email in here. So all we need to do is simply open it and see what it looks like. So this is basically what the viewers or the recipient will see once they try to receive the email. But after this, it will show you that you could also personalize your own email. And now, by opening this sample email that we just sent to ourselves, this is basically what they will see. Or alternatively, you could also set up or schedule your own campaign email in here if you want to, by choosing your scheduled time, date, or even just making a drop for it. But here are basically the sample email that we just sent. And by clicking this unsubscribe button, you will automatically be directed to this page, and you can click this confirm unsubscribe to stop receiving an email from that Gmail account or sender. On the top panel of this Gmail, it will show you some other options, such as to choose a manual follow-up campaign or compose your own follow-up in here. So all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information. Or alternatively, you could also click the other button right here that might help you to create another kind of email, including email landing page, campaign, and any other type, newsletter, and many more. So once done, basically, Gmass, you could also use this for link checker by clicking this link checker button, or even email analyzer, in which it is all a built-in tool that helps users evaluate the quality, structure, and deliverability potential of their emails before sending them. It checks the various technical content-related aspects to ensure the email optimized for reaching recipient inboxes, not their spam folders. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Gmass in Gmail. Thank you.